Hey, I'm Skip Bedell, and I just finished up a live nationwide broadcast on Fox & Friends Morning Show where I talked about air quality and the importance of filtering the air in your home. Now, many of us have a room air purifier at home with a HEPA filter, but unless you're changing those filters regularly or you have one in every room in the house, they may not be all that effective. So this is a whole house air purification system. It's the Reme Halo by RGF Environmental. This is going to be installed directly into your ductwork of your air system by an HVAC professional. And what this does is convert your whole air system into a germ-killing machine. This is new technology that uses UVC light, and it produces hydrogen peroxide molecules within the ductwork, and basically it kills on contact viruses and germs and bacteria, mold spores, all the things in your air that you want to get out, all those bad contaminants. It's also very effective in reducing odors and dust and pollen and all the things that might affect you if you have allergies or asthma. So it's a great way to clean the air in your house throughout the whole home. So again, this is going to be installed by your HVAC professional. This is the type of thing they would install in commercial buildings or medical facilities. In fact, once you have this installed in your house, you will have hospital-grade sanitized air through every cubic foot of your whole home that's conditioned. So you want to go ahead and ask for this from your HVAC professional by name, the Reme Halo from RGF Environmental. Check them out at rgf.com. This is an amazing system. You definitely want to get one of these installed in your house today. It'll make a huge difference in your air quality.